In this video, we're showing you how to use rewards on Dunkin app. So from the home page, if you click underneath Dunkin delivers, the middle one says how to unlock your rewards. Click on that, and here we'll give a detailed explanation. So every £1 you spend, you will earn 5 points. 1 point is equal to 1p. So 100 points will be £1. You can use these points on anything that you like, any products, no matter how many you've earned. And there's something called double points day. And surprise rewards. There's double points days. So some days there'll be days where it's double points. So your money doubles. So at the top, once you have rewards, so I have 101 points. If you click this, it will give you a QR code that you can scan in store, and that will allow you to use your rewards on the Dunkin app in store. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.